Morning, second graders. I'm going to tell you about your science activity for today. So I know you guys have library this morning, so if you guys don't get to this is something we might do in class tomorrow if you didn't get to it during the day. So just do your best to get to it. If not, no worries. We will probably go over it tomorrow because I know that we have library today as opposed to the other second grade classes. So that is during our social studies and science chunk of time for our schedule. So if you can get to it, if you have extra time, please do. If not, don't worry about it, okay? Um, but if you do have time and you find some time today to do this, what you're going to want to do is finish watching this welcome video to see the rest of your day or the rest of your assignments for science. And then the first thing you're going to want to do is watch this video right here, the life cycle of a plant. So you'll want to watch this video. And if for some reason it's not working for you, I have posted a links page right here where you can access this video, life cycle of a plant video, which is this one, and then your seesaw activity. So try clicking on that link and it should take you directly to YouTube to watch that video. And when you're done watching this video, what you'll want to do is you can click this link or you can just head straight to Seesaw. And this is the activity that you're going to be doing today. Now, let me click right here. So it looks something like this. And in school, we've talked about something called sequence writing, where we use first, then, next, and finally. So that you can read that and you can kind of see those sequencing words right there. So when you're ready, you are going to click add response and you are going to use the emojis at the bottom to form the life cycle of a plant. And then you're going to write some sentences about your picture and then record yourself saying the life cycle of the plants. So you're going to record your sentences. So you're going to click add response, and this is what's going to be able to move around, okay? So you can, this looks like some water, and here's some suns and some wind. So we got our seeds. So you can move these around to get all of them in the correct place according to the life cycle of the plant. So once again, you'll need to watch that video about the life cycle before you do the activity so that you know what you're doing.